Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset on the LG V10 and remove pattern or password protection. Hold down the power key for a few seconds, then choose power off and tap OK to confirm. Use the combination of volume down and power key, hold both keys together. Release the power key as soon as the LG logo appears, then press it again while holding both buttons. Release all keys when the factory data reset mode appears on the screen. Navigate using volume keys, scroll down to the Yes option, and press the power key to select it. Scroll down again using volume down and confirm by tapping OK and pressing power. The device is erasing all personal data and customized settings. The welcome panel appears, meaning the hard reset was successful. There is no pattern or password protection, so you can activate your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a thumbs up under the video.